Yeah, this is the start of a new section. In this section, we'll be learning about conditional statements. We'll learn what are conditional statements, what are the ways of writing them, and we'll use them in various programs. So we'll see a lot of examples upon conditional statements. So let us start with conditional statement. What is a conditional statement? See, in daily life, we come across conditional processing at various places. For example, if you're logging on any website, then you have to give your user ID and password. If it is valid, then you are allowed to enter in, otherwise you are not allowed. So if, else. Second, one more example. If suppose there is a sale going on in any shop, then if you make a bill of some amount, let us say $1,000, then you will get discount, otherwise no discount. So if bill is more than 1,000, you will get discount, otherwise no discount. So normal billing will be done. Or if you got marks that are passing marks, that is greater than this much, then you are passed, otherwise you are failed. So like this, there are many places where we use if and else conditional statement. So the same thing in computation, we use conditional statement. So let us see how to write conditional statement in C++ and how they work. See, this is a skeleton of C++ conditional statement. If, and this is the condition. And this is block of if, flower bracket, else, block of else. If this condition given here, if it is a true, then this block will be executed. If it is a false, then this block will be executed. So depending on the result of the condition, if block is executed or else block is executed. How to write condition, we will see afterwards. Now the same thing, the flow of this one is shown here using a piece of flow chart, right? So flow chart is here, like starting and ending point, leave it. Only the part that is dealing with if conditional statement I have shown here. This is used for checking the condition. If the condition is true, then this block of statements will be executed, then it will continue further. If the condition is false, then it will branch into this direction and it will execute this block and then continue further. So the rest of the processing is common. This is conditional. If true, this one, else, that one. So this showing the flow of a control in case of if and else. So this is the syntax of conditional statement. And here writing if and then else is optional. If you want to write else, write it. Otherwise just you can write if also. Else nothing. So this is optional. Now next thing we will learn. What is this true and false? Then after that I'll show you condition. True and false. See, in C++ programming, false means 0. False means 0. And true, any other value is true. So usually we say that 1 means true. Actually, not just 1, any other number, numeric, right? Integer type, not floating point, integer type. Any other value is treated as true. Only it will check if it is 0, then false, otherwise true. So it means instead of 1, if I write 10, then also it is true. Minus 10, then also true. Minus 2, then also true. Whatever the number you take, it is true. So even you can write true and false like this, or also you can use 0 and 1 in C++. Now next thing we will learn how to write down this condition. Conditions are written using relational operators. Relational operators. So what are relational operators? Less than equal to, greater than equal to, equal to. So for equal to, we have this symbol, double assignment symbol, right? And not, exclamation, equal to, not equal to. These are relational operators. We write conditional statements using relational operators and also logical operators. So logical operators, I will not show them now. I will cover them in another video. Now what these relational operators are? These are used for comparing the values on either side. See, for example, if I write A less than B, suppose the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 15, then what will be the result of this? A less than B. Yes, A is less than B, so it is true. So this gives the result true or false. So it gives actually true or false, means 1 or 0. It will not give any other number, it gives 1 or 0. All these operators gives the result either true or false. right? See, suppose I have A as 15 and B as 15. If I write A is equals to B, then what is the result? The result is true. And if I say A is not equal to B, then what is the result? Actually, they are equal. So the result is false. Means this is 1 and this is 0. If I say A is less than or equal to B, yes, it's not less, but it is equal. So the result is true. So this is how it gives the result. So remember the important point, the relational operators give the result either true or false, that is 1 or 0, 0 or 1. More about this, how to use them, we will write on the example programs and we will learn more about this one. So this video was just the introduction to conditional statements. So the next video we will write on the program using this conditional statement and relational operators.